Père, avant de vous arriver, moi, on va parler comme si je son crime fait. Ou de sixième, eh bien, tirez, Alfred, ça me tirez. Son petit mission garde dormir. Madame, j'ai mal dans le calotte, l'autre bois, la marche sous même, par contre, c'est pas tirer la bin tirer. Bon, par contre, c'est pas tirer la bin tirer pour dans le calotte là. Ah ben. Parlez tête. Je respecte le grand monde. Yeah. Et moi non plus ça. Agree my idea. I see him walking to me and I don't even slap him. I just pass my hand by his face. I'm honest with you. Okay? You slap. I don't punch him. You try to be live. The reason why I was scared because, you know, I'm not the only one here. All these guys say that they're going to slap me back. So. He was coming to me, he was about to give me a hand. I do my hand like that, and he slapped me right here. I don't punch him. I just threw my hand. I said, you say you was going to hit me? I don't know what you got. Don't give me a hand. You know, that's what I do. I don't punch him. I'm honest. Ain't nobody tell me. I tell you. I don't punch him. It's not like I hit him. I tell you that he do him like that, I do like that. And he slap him back like this. I don't punch him. I don't know his attention. You understand? I train a lot of right over my kids. I don't punch. I'm not lying. I don't punch him. You try to make big scenario because all these people here. Jin. The guy was here. I swear. Huh? I don't hate him. If I was him, I would tell you, yes, I did. I'm a big man. You try to